naman laki.
Yeah, it's a giant
Ayan,
shark.
gandang hapon mga kagwaps. Dito kami sa
This is not
Little Tagaytay.
Let's
Mag-unwind muna guys para pampatanggal ng ano,
shark.
ng
It's a giant shark.
sama ng loob.
That is a giant shark.
Sila ate.
Oh, there's a
Ba't takot ka sa camera te?
Ba, is that a giant shark ba?
Oh, si ate din. Si ate yan.
Look, this is a giant shark.
Si Sing. Si Shanshan. Pogi. Pogi ka Sing? Ay Shan? What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, what's that?
But is it giant shark?
Giant shark.
Ikot na lang.
Bakit?
It's a shark.
Kaya papalit lang daw ng tubig.
It's a giant shark.
Bagakay na lang daw.
Saan yung bagakay?
It's
Ilog.
a shark.
Ah,
It's a big shark. Wait, kasi
hindi pala to eh.
Ikot lang.
again. What's going on?
Ganda sana doon.
Oo nga, madaming mga ano dito. Magugustuhan sana to ng mga bata.
It's a sea hen.
No?
Look at that yan.
Little
Look at this
Tagaytay.
yan. A shark.
Dito ang ano dito. Doon
Dagat.
No, this is not sea either. This is a shark. That's the shark. Yan. What is that?
Sayang.
Hey.
Ang ganda dyan, no? What's that, Shan?
Ano yan?
A horse.
Ah, horse.
No, look. Is that a dragon?
Dragon.
Dragon pala yun.
How about this one? Ito, Shane. What is that? Yan. What is that? Yan.
Yan. What's
Ayun.
that?
Ayun. Ano yan?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree na kulay red.
Ah! The Christmas. Mama, ilog.
Ikaw po, mag-ilog na lang tayo. Ikita yung video mo.
Little Tagaytay.
I'm falling down.
I'm falling down.
Wait, Ay.
Ito akala ni Ian totoo daw. Pumapara.
Oo, parang nakang.
Dito yung bahay niya. Dara.
Ayun kay Dara.
It's a giant shark.
Pinaliligo rin naman, kaya lang.
Yes.
Siyempre kung ano, hindi maganda yung kulay, baka raw patihin.
Yung sabi.
Yung caretaker.
And blue. And blue, yeah.
Ito sa amin.
Rabahan blue. Rabahan blue.
Hmm?
Rabahan blue. And
Blue.
short.
Krama in a blue.
Yes.
Si Blue. Ayun. Little Tagaytay Resort.
See, their mama.
Day entrance 50.
Mama, it's not
Overnight
either.
person.
Yes, yes.
Added person 1-3.
Talagang binasan niya. Ang ganda ng panahon, ano? Kanina, kala ko tuloy-tuloy yung ulan eh. Pagising namin ng umaga, lakas ng ulan.
Daanan natin si Erika. Sama daw si Erika guys.
Aray mo.
The bunch can go.
Eh wala eh. Daanan na lang.
Daanan lang. Usapan daan lang.
Mga inyo guys, may malaking mangyayari. Mamayang gabi. Abangan natin yan guys. Mawiwindang ang buong
Ano to?
sambayan ng Pilipinas.
They go for
Ano
number.
yan? Anong pangalan nito?
Vanessa.
Sila V eh. Sila V.
Venice. Pwede yata tayo dyan.
Sila V. Farm and Private Resort.
Yan.
Tagasunod lang tayo. Kasi itong wellness, ano yata to? Dagat din yata to o may pool sila?
May farm. Ayun. Maganda baga. May farm.
Maliit man. Yun lang, maliit.
One city is liit yan. Sa island.
Bagong bukas.
So,
Oh, wala yan dati.
ilog siya.
Pag-arkilado, ano?
Hindi mag-ilog mo lang daw at mas mag-press ko pa ang ilog kaysa sa tubig ng swimming pool. Zoilo Seaside
Marami kasi ano dito.
Resort.
Resort dito sa papuntang ano.
Uy,
Tuhan.
Olivia.
Pagduin. River. Gabi na tayo kala Erika, oh. Ay, ato ko.
Inaantok na yung kasama ko, guys. Yung driver ko, huwag kang patulog-tulog dyan, be.
Yeah, mahintok na.
Uy,
Ay, wala.
no.
Ayan na si Erika.
Dito ba yun? Dito ba yun?
Oo, yan.
Hmm.
So, baka dito.
Dito na tayo sa... Ito ba yung matugtog? Ayun yung matugtog. Ito kami noon. Hindi ako makalimutan ditong nangyari eh. Yung lusong namin noon na... Diyan kami lumusong noon, oh. Tubig-tubig dyan, oh. Yung mga, bakawan. Nilusong namin yan nila, yung mga marites. Napasubo ang marites dyan na paglusong. Yung palalim na, atras na kami.
Now look at this. Sean,
Sean!
What are you doing, Sean?
we're looking the game.
Mabuhay, Hinipaan Falls. Dito na
We
tayo.
are in this. This is all it is. It's oh my god. What's this? We're so layo.
We're so layo na.
Wala layo, Marshall.
Nasa si Marshall?
Wala, naiwan. May mumu dito.
Wala na iwan.
Iwan.
Kaya pala iniwan, may mumu dito.
Yes, naiwan ng Marshall.
Iniwan si Marshall?
Yes, yeah.
Bakit?
Ayaw Marshall.
Bakit iniwan?
No.
Ano ba?
Nailong yan, Marshall.
Ha?
Nasing yan, Marshall. Nasing. Iwan lang.
Malulunod.
Yes.
Lunod. Masink. Ay, sis ko. Inisip ko pa eh. Kasi sabi niya malunod, ginanon yung ilong, malulunod pala.
It's round. Speed.
Uunod.
Sige, speed niya.
Sabi niya mauunod si Marshall. Yung ano yan, sink.
Yes.
Yung sink nga naman kasi lumulubog eh.
I'm so fast.
Ewan ko sa iyo. Sink.
Look at this. I'm so fast. I'm so
Baka
fast.
paano? Ay, ang galing. You're so sonic.
I can speed in the ilog. Like this.
Oh, mag-swim ikaw ganyan.
Yes.
Ang galing pala
I'm the best.
mag-swimming. You're the best. Okay.
Yes, I can-
Ito ang daan ng the best. Kalahati daw nito ang pag-aayari ng barangay. Kalahati. Hindi pa. Kaya hati-hati lang. Baka mahulog ka naman.
Wait.
Kalahati lang po kasi ang daan
I
dito.
do have a bike at.
Hindi pa sila nagkasundo.
Yan. Papa. You did this. And
Oh,
then Jack
nagbablog
will
na.
say,
Nagbablog na
hey,
siya.
Ha?
I can subscribe that.
Oh, that's...
Oy, you can subscribe that. Like and subscribe that, ha? Oh, what is your channel? What is the name of your...
Right. And then that is the Lolo.
Welcome to...
You know, can you
No, welcome to Red Sing Vlogs. Sabi mo.
welcome to Red Sting Ones. And then in this, speed saying it fast. Okay, bye.
If you like this, please like and subscribe. Sabi mo.
You understand that? It isn't a copy of it. I made that. It is in this. Muna lang this nanay. Okay? Bye.
Nag-vlog na si... Galing mag-vlog ni Sina.
Yes.
Vlogger ka na?
And there's just a bigger tree.
Are you a vlogger na?
Hoy!
Hoy,
The bigger tree.
bigger tree. Vlogger ka na nga.
And yun din yung tree. Careful, the silent head.
Ay, Diyos ko, si Saint.
When you're in a tree.
Be
Okay?
careful.
Please. Oh,
Ito
shut!
na tayo.
Stop! Stop! Oh, my band is here. What's
Ayan na.
moving?
Let's go inside na.
Let's go.
Tanungin mo sila mga.
There's an Iluma.
Ay, doon na tayo mag-entrance.
With an entrance?
Mm-mm.
But why? The Ilugin in die. Ay! Die! Ching!
Ano ba talaga? Bababa nyo? Hindi.
Ay, ilog.
Ayan ang ilog, oh.
Wow!
Ayun, oh.
That's so cool.
Ayun, ang daming naliligo, oh.
What?
Mainit kasi.
Where did you get it?
Pinakaharang
You kidding
man.
me? What is this? This is Mama saying.
Binababa pa yung ano,
Oh!
yung mga uling.
Hey, Ma, look at this.
Yes.
Dang!
Paano?
Dang!
Ayun ay ilog.
Uh-oh.
Ligo na sila, oh.
Oh, careful, Ma. The
Yes.
tsunami is getting bigger.
Ha?
It's tsunami.
Is tsunami.
Tsunami?
Yes!
Nasaan ang tsunami?
And the ilog.
No, there's no tsunami in Ilog.
Be careful, there's no fuss there. There's
No.
a sea eater, big.
See it.
A small young rocket and a small sea eater. A
Hmm.
small. Oh,
Small.
it's bigger,
Oh,
but it's so big.
yes.
We can eat you. You can make you.
Pabihira. Kinain pa ako ng sea eater.
Look at you. It can get died. Turn you to skull skeleton.
Ha?
You turn your skull skeleton.
Skeleton?
Yes.
Dito tayo, Bill. Pwede naman dito.
Wait. We
Ano
are.
tayo?
We're body bat. Okay, almost there. Almost there.
Almost there.
Oh, faster. Faster.
Ay, si Mrs. Love.
And right finally.
Okay.
Finally, we are
Sige.
in that.
Guys, diri na kami guys. Sama ka diri. Oh. Si ate yan, si ate din. Yan yung panganay. Ito, pangalawa. Oh. Magligo kami guys. Oh. Dito tigil mo. Gusto mo magawa eh.
Chicken yan eh. Pa, papatayin ko na to. Pa, papatayin ko. Ikaw mag-video.
Ayun na ho, pauwi na kami. Pagod ang dalawang batuta.
And then shark.
Pagod na, Shane?
Yes.
Pagod.
And then shark.
Are you tired?
Di pa man daw ba?
A shark.
Shark? Shark.
Shark nga daw.
Like big.
Si Sean, no? Tahimik na. Ha, Sean?
Big that.
Tahimik na ikaw siya na.
Is like
Wait lang.
is around like
Oh,
what? It's
uwian na.
food. What's that? It's food.
Uwian na. Pagod na ang mga batuta. Ayun.
Like big that.
Labas na tayo.
It's around.
Para yung ang init.
Ayaw lakas. Ate ayaw lakas. Ayaw lakas. Mais ba yung short?
Ha?
Lakas.
Oo, mga mais yan. Maisan yun, te.
Ako eh.
Mais.
Mais. Ganda ng panahon talaga. No? Mainit.